Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be using my new nail stamping plate to do my nails. You can see other new plates in this video. I'm cleaning my nails with ethanol. I'm applying D-Up Strong Guard as base coat. This is one of my favorite DIY nail art items. You can get one at CanDo, a 100 yen store. The base coat is dry enough. I'm gonna paint Wonder Nail RWN17. It's sold in Japan, but it's made in France. French items seem cool to me, especially when it comes to fashion items. Is it just me? I'm gonna do gradient on my little finger. I'm applying Wonder Nail only to the top half of the little fingernail. I'm gonna blend the transition by lightly applying Oli Second Dry at the border. Since Oli Second Dry dissolves the layer underneath, I'm thinking of using that property to create a blended effect. I'm not sure if I'm doing well or not. I guess it's okay as the first layer. I'm applying Wonder Nail to the whole ring fingernail. Gradient on the middle finger. Wonder Nail halfway and Oli Second Dry to blur. I'm blending it with a tweed brush. I'm gonna do gradient on the index fingernail too. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I'm gonna paint Wonder Nail for the second time. I really like the brush. I like the color too. It's got some fine glitters in it. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna apply Wonder Nail to the lower third of my pinky nail. Next, apply Oli's Second Dry along the border to blend the layers. I'm gonna paint the whole ring fingernail. It's so easy to paint the whole nail. Gradient on the middle finger. The plan was for the nail tip to have a stronger pink hue, but the free edge made it hard for the color to deepen as intended. But it's okay. I'm doing the same gradient on the index finger. If I use a tweed brush like this, it'll kind of defeat the purpose of using a tweed brush. I let it dry for 7 minutes, then do the nail stamping. This nail plate is from Maniology. First, I'll peel off the protective film. This is also from Maniology. It was on sale for $5 and comes with a generous 30 milliliters. It looks a bit watery at first, but once picked up with the stamper, it's surprisingly vibrant and performs beautifully. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. At first glance, it's hard to tell what the pattern is, but Mickey and Minnie are there. And the Hawaiian style design makes it super cute. Now I'm gonna stamp hibiscus. It definitely looks like a hibiscus when you see it like this, but the stamped version didn't make it so obvious. Maybe I should have used white stamping polish. It might have made the hibiscus design more visible. Next, I'll stamp the musical notes. Below the musical notes, Minnie is going to dance hula. I'm stamping with a super pigmented stamping polish. When I tried stamping, Minnie turned out a bit too big. At this point, I'm switching to a size adjustable stamper. With this stamper, I'll make Minnie a little smaller. I'm pushing up the silicone part of the stamper from underneath. Since the greatest reduction happens at the center, I aim to pick up the design right onto the middle. This reduced the size by about 15%. Minnie fit nicely on the nail, but it's a little hard to tell she's actually Minnie. I've been having fun by asking people around me what they think this design is. It's like a little guessing game. I really love the thumbnail design. I'm gonna paint Bone Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil. I'm applying Ollie's Second Dry over the gradient on my pinky and index finger. Since it tends to dissolve other polishes easily, I think it's actually perfect for blending gradients. I'm applying No Smudge Top Coat Oil over the stamped nails. Ollie's Second Dry on the index finger. After drying for about 7 minutes, I'm gonna add Paradou's Gel Top Coat onto non-smudge top coat oil. Paradou's Gel Top Coat is my favorite. It doesn't shrink, doesn't crack, and I can grab it easily at 7-Eleven. I usually finish with sachet vide, but this time I thought a matte coat might be cute, so I went with OPI's matte top coat instead. While browsing sample nail designs on Maniology's website, I noticed a lot of them used matte top coats, and I thought they looked really cute. And once the matte coat dried, it wasn't quite what I expected. The thumbnail is cute. I did my right hand nails at the same time, and in the end, I realized the glossy finish was just cuter. So I layered the sachet vide over the matte top coat. Since I let the matte top coat dry thoroughly, I didn't have any issues with sachet vide shrinking the design. This is how it turned out in the end. I think the gradient looks better with a glossy finish. I feel like matte gradient finishes really show imperfections, unless the gradient is absolutely flawless. I didn't feel like doing gradients on my right hand, so I just went with solid colors, and only stamped the thumb and ring finger. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!